Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today we're going to be unboxing some equipment that is available for students to check out at the University of Waterloo's Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business. Today we're going to be looking at the Zoom H6 portable recorder and interchangeable mic kit. So let's take a look. So this comes with the portable recorder, an XY mic piece, a mid-side mic piece, a data transfer cord, as well as a foam cover. So the portable recorder has some nice features. You can plug in 4 different mics into the sides here, and each of them will be recorded onto their own channel. And each channel has its own fader dial, and this is awesome because you don't have to go into any menus to change the levels. You can really quickly and easily adjust them right here. All of the levels for the channels will be visible down here on your screen for easy monitoring, and you can also plug in headphones to listen to the recordings. And unlike the H4n model, you only have to click record once in order to start capturing sound. So you're going to need 4 AA batteries to operate this, and those can also be checked out of media services when you rent out this kit. If you want to record directly into your camera, you can also check out an extra cord to connect the 2 devices. This is going to record into the camera, but also onto the recorder at the same time. Again, on the recorder, these are all going to be on different channels, and that'll give you a lot more flexibility when you're editing later. So in addition to the 4 mic ports at the side, you have the option to use the XY mic, which if pointed directly at the audio, it's going to help you capture a wider area. This can be adjusted from 90 degrees to 120 to cover an even wider space. Another option is for you to try using the mid-side mic. And this mic is great for studio recording. It provides total mono capability, and that means that it's ideal for stereo recordings that are going to be later played back in mono, like a TV broadcast, for example. So there you have it, the Zoom H6 portable recorder and interchangeable mic kit. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and feel free to drop a question or a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and feel free to come check out this kit at the Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business.